Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to help you through if you have a Maytag front load washer and you're having problems with the door either not locking or locking when it's not supposed to. It might be one of these things. So a couple questions to ask yourself. First of all, did the cycle just start? So if the cycle just started, the door doesn't lock for about 10 seconds after starting the cycle. This would be just normal. The second question to ask yourself is, does the lock mechanism need to be cleaned? If there's lint or soap buildup in the locking mechanism, it could potentially be preventing it from locking. And finally, if it's neither of those things, you might want to cycle the power. Just disconnect the power for 30 seconds, plug it back in, turn it off, and see if that works. Now, if the door will neither lock nor unlock, like if it's stuck locked when it's locked and then it won't lock, check the lock might have been it might be locked when it was installed on the new washer, and so you'll have to you can actually go on Maytag's website and they'll explain to you how to unlock the washer at the time of installation. Specifically, if you need it, that's a whole nother issue. If you need to do the initial unlock. And if the door is still locked at the end of the cycle, if you use a fresh hold cycle, the door will actually stay locked until you hit the cancel button. So this is normal. If the door won't stay open, make sure that the washer is level. The door should stay in place when it's open, but if the unit is not level, it could swing more easily.